So regarding data analysis and reporting, prompts explain this spreadsheet trend in simple terms. Describe data or upload data. 2. What visuals should I use to present this data effectively? 3. Generate a summary of key insights from this report. Paste text or describe report. Regarding office workers or entrepreneurs, prompts turn this meeting transcript into a prioritized to-do list with deadlines. Paste transcript. Summarize today's Slack/Teams conversations into a status update for my manager. Create an SOP, standard operating procedure, based on these daily tasks. List the tasks. Prompt engineering for non-developers. Prompts rewrite this customer support script to sound more sympathetic with 3 tone variations. Generate a detailed prompt to make DALL-E create a website mock-up for a bakery. Design a prompt that helps freelancers write proposals based on job descriptions. Data and reporting automation. Analyze these bullet points and turn them into a 1-page executive summary. Then list the points. More prompts. Write a professional LinkedIn post summarizing this analytical report in plain English. Based on this spreadsheet, what trends and anomalies do you notice? Upload data or describe. Training and internal knowledge management. Prompts. Create an onboarding guide for a new marketing intern based on these tasks. List the tasks. Simulate a Q&A trainer bot for new customer service reps based on this FAQ. Write a knowledge base article using these notes and make it searchable by section. Writing and branding. Prompts. Create 5 variations of this mission statement for different audiences: investors, clients, partners. Make this job description more inclusive and appealing without losing clarity. Turn this list of accomplishments into a compelling personal bio. Course or content creation. Prompts. Outline a beginner-level course on topic. Include modules, lessons, and outcomes. Write a lesson script for this module in a friendly conversational tone. Generate quizzes and exercises for each section of this course outline. Paste outline. 50 ChatGPT prompts for productivity. Number 1. Summarize the following meeting notes into key action items and deadlines. Paste meeting notes. 2. Given this list of tasks and deadlines, which ones should I prioritize today? List of tasks. 3. Write a follow-up email to a client who hasn't responded in a week. Be polite but assertive. 4. Create a standard operating procedure for onboarding new freelancers to our team. Here's what we do. List steps. 5. Analyze this time log and suggest how I can reclaim 5 hours per week. Paste time log. So all of these are going to save you a lot of time, I would think.